this is what my table starts out with. And even without continuing the picture, we're going to go ahead and figure out a rule. How do I get from 1 to 7 and 2 to 12 doing exactly the same thing? Raise your hand if I can do addition. Good. Can't. Because if you add 6 here, that's fine, but 2 plus 6 is not going to be 12. So I need to think about multiplying. Take a guess. What do you want to start with? 7? 1 times 7 is 7. That's good. 2 times 7 is 14, so it doesn't quite work, but we're on the right track, I think. Yes, ma'am?
2 times 5.
Times 5. Hold on. So let's try times 5. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2. Looks like I found it. So times 5 plus 2. That means that I should be able to do this same rule for every single one and still get the right answer. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2. Hello. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2. Thank you. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2. And 6 times 5, 30 plus 2. Okay. Is this what your pictures look like also? The number of matches that you're using? Good. Brianna?
That's kind of like a more complicated one. The way that I found out was just adding 5. Yeah.
Okay, and again, that's great. I'm glad you see that you can add 5 every time. But now, let me ask you this. Find me the 20th. That would take so long, right? It would take a long time if you continued to go, okay, well, 7, 32 plus 5, or whatever, plus this, plus that. You'd be going on and on for a really long time, especially if they asked you 100 or 200. Right now, in a matter of 10 seconds, can I figure out how many matches I would use if the width was 200? Absolutely, because of the rule that I found that works every time. 200 times 5 plus 2. Done. Found it. Because the rule works every time and you can skip around. With the plus 5 every time, that doesn't allow you to skip around. It's good that you found that pattern, but it won't allow you to do that.